Hi, this video is all about helping you with a weekly activity journal. Where to find it, how to complete it, how to turn it in. So as you can see, I'm in my student view here, and I'm on our main class landing page. Now what I want you to do, there are a couple of ways to get to your weekly activity journal, but I'm going to show you the way through the content tab. So that's what I want you to do for this particular example. So go into the content tab, and then we're going to select the unit. I'm just going to go to Unit 1. This may be different for you depending on the week or class you're in. But Unit 1, click on that so that all the info on the right changes. I'm going to scroll all the way down to the last part of Unit 1, which is 1.05, and I'm going to click on Assessment. And in here you're going to see your daily quiz, the fitness check, and this thing, Weekly Activity Journal 1. Clicking on that brings you to a page that looks like this. Now, there are instructions, and by the time I've finished recording this video, I'm going to embed the video in there too, so there will be instructions written and in video form. There are two attachments. They're the same document. I attach the same activity journal as a Microsoft Word document and as a PDF, in case you don't have Microsoft Word on your computer and don't want to download it. By the way, you can get Microsoft Word on your computer, and it works as long as you are in this school. If you're wondering about that, like if you're using your own computer for taking a school here at Insight and you want to add Microsoft Word and Excel and all that to your computer for free, just reach out to either me or your academic advisor. We can help you with that. But these documents, so here's what they look like. So the Word document looks like this, and you can see it's pretty straightforward, not a lot to it. And if you took the previous PE classes with either myself or Mrs. Dale, it's the same document. So you've got your name and the date. The date can be the day you're turning it in. So typically it's a Friday, but it's due on the last school day within a school week. And you're going to have some boxes here to fill in. You've got your activity type. So what did you do? Did you go jogging? Did you go swimming? Did you play basketball in the park? Whatever it is, that's what you put here in this first row. You got your start time and your stop time. As long as these are at least 30 minutes apart, you're in line for full credit. If it's an improved activity and you're doing it for at least 30 minutes, you're in line for full credit. This last row here, location, I'm just not that concerned about. I don't need the address of where you're working out. If you like to go to 24-hour fitness, you can just put 24-hour fitness on there. If you exercise in your garage, you can put garage on there. If you go to the park to play basketball, you can put park on there. Whatever it is, I don't need an address. Don't get hung up on the location. Now, once you're done with this, you save it. So save as somewhere you can find it. I would make a folder on your desktop for this class, but it's not required. Just save it somewhere you can find it. And when you're done with that, you'd go here where it says upload. You click this, you select that journal that you saved and you've been working on all week, and you can submit. I don't have the submit button. I think it just says submit. Even in my student view, it doesn't show me. But there should be one more button. I believe it should be right about here, and I think it's blue. And that's it. That's how you turn it in. If you're curious what the PDF version looks like, here it is. It's the same document, just as a PDF. So you're welcome to print either one of these out, hand write on it, scan that, or take a picture of that with your smartphone and upload that image. That's also fine. You can upload images, Word documents, PDFs, all that work. I can grade all of that. What I cannot access with this grading software are Pages documents. And if you don't know what that is, it is if you're using a Mac computer, like an Apple computer. Their version of Microsoft Word is called Pages. You can do these assignments on Pages. You have to take a screenshot of them when you're done and upload the screenshot instead of the Pages document, because nothing we have at this school so far can open a Pages document, okay? So if you have Pages, do it all the same. Take a screenshot, upload the screenshot, you're all good. If you have any questions on any of this, You're welcome to drop by office hours and ask me. I'd be happy to help you out. But this should probably answer most of your questions.